Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zoho CRM to Slack step by step clearly. Open your Zoho CRM account and log in. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, look for the Marketplace option. Click on Marketplace to open the available integrations. In the Marketplace, search for Slack using the search bar. Select the Slack integration from the search results. Click on the Install button to add Slack to your Zoho CRM. You will be prompted to authorize the integration. Log into your Slack account if you are not already logged in. Choose the Slack workspace you wish to connect with Zoho CRM. Grant the necessary permissions by clicking on the Allow button. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Zoho CRM. Here, you'll see options to configure your Slack integration settings. Customize your settings according to your preferences. Select the channels in Slack where you want notifications to be sent. You can choose to receive notifications for deals, tasks, and leads. Once you've made your selections, click on the Save button to apply the changes. To test the integration, go to a deal or task in Zoho CRM. Make a change or update to see if a notification appears in your Slack channel. If everything is working correctly, your Zoho CRM is now successfully connected to Slack. You can enjoy seamless communication and updates between the two platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.